Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to print object. For example, I will open this object, and then if you want to print these objects into your 3D printer, you need to change the extension files into STL or OBJ or the other. You can click this export button, and then you can click like STL files. You can click, it will be automatically download the files in STL extension file. So you can open this file into your 3D printer. But if you want to print out these objects into paper, first you need to hide for the guard. You can click settings and then uncheck for guard. Click close. After it, you can go to send to, and then you can click these icons to download the object as PNG. You can open the PNG files. After it, you can print out with your printer. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to print objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.